Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Honeydue Couples Financing app on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then look for the search button and then type in Honeydue Couples Finance and start your search. Once you find the application, go ahead and tap on it and you will find the install button. Tap on this button and this will begin the download and installation of the Honeydue application. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button you can tap on it to open up the application. You can now start using the application by logging into your existing account or signing up to create a new one to start tracking your finances together. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Honeydue Couples Finance app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.